Let's start a new video welcoming you all at the beginning of the new year. In today's video, we will discuss about what Shibarium is and why it is important for investors. Also, we'll know about final goal and SHI token. So hello and welcome to Crypto World Tour with Vijay. Shiba Inu, a dog meme based token that boasts an army of loyal investors, has another major platform coming soon. The self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer is launching its Shibarium project soon. Shiba Swap developer Eric M said on Discord that Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution Shibarium will launch soon. The launch date of the Layer 2 solution Shibarium is yet to be revealed, but the developer claims that the project will be launching soon. As seen in the tweet, Satoshi Kusama, the project lead for Shiba Inu, also commented on the future projects lined up for the meme token. SHIB is an ERC20 token, and as a result it's troubled by the high fees and congestion on Ethereum network. However, a Layer 2 solution like Shibarium will reduce the huge fee on Ethereum network. This will prove very beneficial for Shiba Inu because of the upcoming transition of the SHIB project into NFT, gaming and metaverse space. The Shibarium project will use the Bone token as its native token, so as to give a fresh start to the Layer 2 solution. The SHIB token holder will get the chance to mint the Bone token via a process that will be introduced at the launch of the platform. The next step for Shiba Inu is the launch of Shi, a stablecoin whose value remaining pegged to 1 cent. It is expected to launch after the Shibarium project is made live. Losse revealed in his blog that the end goal is Shi, which operating both on Ethereum and the Shibarium, becomes a global stable currency that players across all countries are able to use as both a store of value and method of payment. Hope you find this journey interesting and thank you for watching. Keep in touch for updates, and if you have any question, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you and see you soon, guys.